For the following particulars, the gross total income of Z in assessment year 24-25. What is that? Why transferred as a residential house to Z for 10 lakhs on 1st April. The value of the said house was a stamp valuation authorities 18 lakhs. But he gave to for 10 lakhs. Is it is a childhood friend for why is it so is it got it for 10 lakhs? 8 lakhs for is it is other income. Is it received a car from his cousin on the payment of 2,50,000. Fair value market is 4 lakh. Relative party no issue. Land of Mr. Rizet was acquired by railways in 2015 and 15 December 23 he received 1,70,000 as interest on enhanced compensation on the order of the court. Enhanced compensation is capital gain on the fixed deposit of the 10 lakhs. In Mr. B received an interest of 90,000, 80 DDB equity effort. He has borrowed 50 lakhs from the same bank on the security of the fixed deposit was liable to pay 50,000 by the way of interest to the bank. He may pay that, no issue, that is different. He can't subtract this. He therefore offered difference between the amount of two income from sources. It's not correct. Computation of gross total income of is we are computing income from other sources 8 lakhs. How he is now friend section 56 to tax the immovable property acquired for low of conservation difference with the stamp duty value of the property considered as more than 50,000 and stamp duty value is more than 110 percentage. More than 110 percentage of consideration difference between stamp duty value and consideration of taxable. Hence, 8 lakhs of difference between stamp duty value. So 18 lakhs and acquired cost 10 lakhs should be taxable. First 8 lakhs, very good. Since car is not include definition of property under section 56 2x, receipt of car is inadequate consideration. Would not be attract the provision of section 56 2x. So car is not even a property, so not an issue. Interest in enhanced compensation of 1,70,000 liable to section 56 EX in the year deduct 50% is allowable under section 57 was 6. Hence, the taxable interest is 85,000. 1,70,000 minus 80,000. Um, yes, already he has like 70,000 only, again, not about anything, get by 85,000. Okay. And next. So, in the case of enhanced compensation, 56.7, 50% is the allowed as deduction, and 85,000 is tax because of the enhanced compensation. Okay. Interest is 90,000 received on the fixed deposit and income of Mr. Reserve. The interest of 50,000 a loan taken by Mr. Reserve from the same bank on security of fixed deposit will not go to reduce the income by way of interest on fixed deposit. So fixed deposit and loan should not be merged. This will be completely will be considered as income. So gross total income 9,75,000. Here the main point you should take is 56, 57 clause 6. That is 50% reduction on enhanced compensation received. Enhanced compensation interest received. Thank you.